The American Language Course Placement Test, or ALCPT, is a crucial exam for non-native English speakers. It is widely recognized and used by educational institutions around the world. It measures English language proficiency, ensuring that students have the necessary skills to succeed. The test focuses on listening and reading skills, which are essential for effective communication. The ALCPT helps determine an individual's ability to communicate in English, both in everyday situations and academic settings. This is important for educational and professional settings where clear communication is key. The ALCPT plays a vital role in placing individuals in appropriate English language courses, tailored to their proficiency levels. It assesses their current language level, providing a clear picture of their abilities. This ensures they receive instruction tailored to their needs, maximizing their learning potential. By identifying strengths and weaknesses, the ALCPT helps educators create effective learning plans, enhancing the overall educational experience. The test covers a range of language skills, from basic vocabulary to complex grammar. These include vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension, all of which are crucial for mastering a new language. The ALCPT is designed to be comprehensive, covering all aspects of language learning. It provides a reliable assessment of English language proficiency, trusted by educators worldwide. In essence, the ALCPT serves as a valuable tool for both students and teachers. It measures and evaluates an individual's English language abilities, guiding them towards improvement. The results guide placement in suitable language programs, ensuring the best fit for each learner. Ultimately, the ALCPT aims to support language learners in their journey. It helps them achieve their language goals, paving the way for future success. The ALCPT is structured to assess listening and reading skills. It comprises multiple-choice questions designed to evaluate a range of language abilities. The listening section presents audio recordings that test comprehension. Test takers listen to conversations, questions, and statements which are reflective of real-world scenarios. They choose the best answer from the options provided, ensuring they understand the context. The reading section evaluates reading comprehension through various texts. Test takers read passages of varying lengths and complexities. They answer questions based on the information presented, demonstrating their understanding. The questions assess understanding of vocabulary, grammar, and overall meaning, ensuring a comprehensive evaluation. The test format is standardized to maintain uniformity. This ensures fairness and consistency across all test administrations. Each question has only one correct answer, eliminating ambiguity. The ALCPT is administered in a time setting to simulate real-life time constraints. Test takers have a specific amount of time to complete each section, adding to the challenge. The ALCPT's structure and format aim to create a level playing field for all participants. This allows for accurate assessment of English language proficiency, reflecting true capabilities. The test's design focuses on evaluating practical language skills that are essential for everyday communication. These skills are crucial for effective communication in various contexts. The ALCPT scoring system is straightforward. Each correct answer receives 1 point. Incorrect answers do not deduct points. The total score represents the number of correct answers. This score is then used to determine the test taker's English language proficiency level. The ALCPT score report provides a detailed breakdown of performance. It shows the overall score and individual section scores. This information helps identify areas of strength and areas needing improvement. Institutions may have specific score requirements for placement. The ALCPT score is a numerical representation of English language proficiency. It is used for placement purposes and to track progress. Understanding the scoring system helps test takers interpret their results accurately. The ALCPT is specifically designed for non-native English speakers. It is intended for individuals whose first language is not English, providing a standardized measure of their proficiency. This includes people from diverse backgrounds and language groups, ensuring a fair assessment for all. The test is suitable for those who need to demonstrate their English language skills for various purposes. Individuals applying for educational programs, especially in English-speaking countries, may need to take the ALCPT. This is particularly true for programs where English is the medium of instruction. ensuring students can keep up with coursework. The test helps institutions assess if applicants meet the language requirements necessary for success. Professionals seeking employment or career advancement in international settings may also benefit from taking the ALCPT. Many organizations require proof of English language proficiency to ensure effective communication. The ALCPT score serves as credible evidence of language skills, recognized by many institutions. In summary, the ALCPT is a valuable tool for non-native English speakers aiming to improve their opportunities. It helps them assess their language skills and pursue educational and professional opportunities with confidence.